Hey guys, and welcome at this series about Sitecore Basics. In this video we're zooming in on profile card settings. So with your profile setting up and your page profile to a specific profile card like this, by default you will see your profile cards on the left and you can select just one or just customize, so you can choose from specific profile keys. But there are more options which need to be enabled. So I'm canceling this for now and I'm scrolling down and I'm going to my profile section. So for my card type profile, I can select the profile cards folder, and by default your folder tab is selected. So if it is, click the content tab, which is located next to it, and in here you have one option, authoring selection. It is set to single by default, but you can choose for multiple, for example. So let's choose that one, hit save, and then go back to my page. And if I'm opening my profile card here, you can see that you now have a different slide, a slightly different screen. So you can select multiple profile cards. So this is one option. I'm going to click OK for now, hit save. Because we saw another option, so I'm selecting my profile cards folder, and from authoring selection I'm going to choose multiple with percentages, hit save, and then going back to my page and to my profile setup, and now you can see that you have also the option to determine how much percentage or how valuable this one is to this specific page. And this should be 100 in total. So if I do something like this, it's giving me a warning that the sum of the profile card percentages is not equal to 100%. So it must be 100 in total. So with this setup, I'm telling that the family profile card setup should be applied or calculated for 80% and the environmental for 20%. So this is a way of creating a more complex and intelligent setup with profile cards, even with my simple setup like I have here. So you can imagine if you have a more complex setup for your profile by default combined with this settings, you can create very rich profiling mechanisms to almost tailor-made a profile for each specific user.